Becoming a professional trader with minimal time investment. Embarking on the journey of professional trading requires dedication, strategy, and the right guidance. I urge you to watch this video to the very end. I promise that the insights you'll gain will be worth every minute spent. Hasn't everyone harbored dreams of becoming a millionaire at some point? Many of us yearn for financial freedom, yet only a select few truly achieve this pinnacle. The allure of amassing wealth resonates with most, but only a fraction has the mettle to turn that dream into reality. According to the Credit Suisse Global Wealth Report 2021, there were around 56.1 million adult dollar millionaires globally. That's less than 1% of the world's adult population. If you've delved into Malcolm Gladwell's Outliers, you'll understand that the path to profound achievement isn't solely paved with individual talent or sheer hard work. Gladwell illuminates how cultural context, family backgrounds, access to opportunities, and even serendipity play monumental roles in determining success. The book challenges the conventional belief that success stems solely from personal merit, highlighting instead the myriad external factors that can influence our trajectories. I highly recommend giving it a read. So, as you venture into the world of trading, remember that while personal prowess is crucial, leveraging opportunities and understanding the broader context can be equally transformative. Dive into this video, arm yourself with knowledge, and set forth on your journey to success. Examining insights from Outliers. Culture and its bearing on success. Gladwell delves deep into understanding how cultural backgrounds can be significant determinants of success. He cites the rice farming culture in Asia as a possible explanation for why students from certain Asian countries often outshine their peers in mathematics. Birth date and age factors. He throws light on how the date of one's birth can have pronounced implications, especially in the realm of sports. For instance, hockey players born in the early parts of the year frequently have a leg up over those born later, attributed mainly to age categorizations in youth sports. Communication barriers stemming from cultural and personal norms. Gladwell studies airplane disasters and dissects how varying cultural norms can influence communication patterns within a pilot's cockpit, subsequently affecting safety. These are but a few intriguing nuggets from the treasure trove of insights Gladwell offers in Outliers. Now, can you alter the inherent factors such as where and when you were born? Clearly not. But does that mean you should relinquish your dream of financial independence? Absolutely not. Furthermore, many believe that success is tethered to one's educational background, which in turn is often influenced by family wealth. However, while these factors can play a role, the journey to success is multifaceted, and there's no single roadmap. Embrace your unique journey, harness opportunities, and let your dreams of financial freedom soar. There's a significant portion of millionaires who haven't pursued higher education. Some didn't even complete high school, yet they achieved success through entrepreneurship, investments, or arts. The prevalent fields among millionaires include engineering, business, economics, law, and medicine. I'm not discouraging formal education, but I want to emphasize there's something even more crucial than a degree. What might that be? In the book Outliers, Malcolm Gladwell introduces an intriguing concept, the 10,000-hour rule. Gladwell postulates that to attain mastery in any field, one needs to dedicate around 10,000 hours of practice. He exemplifies this with personalities like Bill Gates, who immersed themselves in coding during his early years, or the Beatles, who performed for thousands of hours in Germany before their breakthrough. However, it's not to say that you'd precisely need 10,000 hours. Perhaps you're practicing the wrong things, or maybe you've already found an exceptional mentor, and your journey to mastery might be shortened. I represent a company that's engaged in arbitrage trading and develops arbitrage strategies, and it's very easy to get started with them. Step 1. Subscribe to our course using the link in the video description. Additionally, please support our channel by subscribing and giving our video a thumbs up. Your engagement helps us continue to offer free education to traders like you. Let's transform your trading journey.